up and they can take your money quick, man.
What's up, everybody? We are back at Jack This Is Dom Racing. I'm going to be playing some Lock and Link, one of my favorites. You guys know it. Hold on to your hat. You guys remember that one time that I had a 5-hat trigger bonus on here? It was crazy. I've never done it since. We're going to change the denomination to 2 cents. And that's going to make the mini 20, the minor 100, majors 1200, and the grand is 17,000. Let's see if we can do something with it here. We need 3 or more of the hats. That is literally the only bonus in the game. We got 300 in there. We're doing $1.20 bets. One. 2's off the screen. We needed 3. Like I said, do you guys remember that video where we did the 5-hat trigger on a bonus? It was crazy. That is a wild symbol. And the tiger is the top symbol, followed by the magician dude. Cards all the way through. That's good for 12 bucks. Come on, hats. 1, 2, 3. Come on, hats. Oh, blocked by the hat that time. Let's hear ding, ding, ding. Come on. We haven't even had ding ding. Oh, magicians. Oh, I need you to keep going there. Doves. Oh, where were you on the last rail? Oh, that is 1920 right there, guys. That's a good hit. If we had more on the end, oh, so much more. One more, come on. Yes! There we go, guys. We do have the hat feature. 10 games, 3 to re-trigger. Kind of like Huff and Puff. We need them to land where they've already landed. Okay, that's 1, but we need 3. Okay, that's okay too, but we need more. Right next to where they all are. Okay. Give me another one there for a gold, please. We're up to silver there. Come on, hats. This one at a time isn't how we do it. Alright, move to the right one. Oh, we got 3 games left. Come on. Hats. Need a re-trigger. Pocket watch is all the way through. A little hit there, 240. Okay, we got a gold. And we got another silver. We got 1 more game left. We need 3 hats to re-trigger, or we need 1 to land here. Aha, pocket watches again. Alright, so we're starting with 920. Make that special noise for me. Those are usually just your bet. There's a doubler bet. Alright. Noise. Alright, we got the mini for 20 bucks. And do it again. Nope. Alright, $30 hat. Not bad. So the $20 mini, $30 gold hat. So between the hats alone, that is 60 bucks up there. Plus what we won, guys, that is $67.60. Not too shabby. Do it again. Would have loved to have heard that noise on the gold hat, because the gold is how you have a shot at the major or the grand. I believe the silver can still give you minor or mini, if I'm not mistaken. In fact, let me check that just to make sure. I believe so. Yeah, so gold. Yeah, so it could give you, oh, so the silver could give you major too. So mini, minor, major. Gold gives you mini, minor, major, grand, or 10 to 100 times your bet. All right, let's get some more hats again. Let's get another bonus. Let's do a quick one. Ding, ding, ding. One more. Oh. Tigers hats. Oh my God, the worst teases ever. Pocket watches? Oh, what do you do on the end? Sorry guys, responding to a message on my phone real quick. Kind of urgent, nothing crazy, but pocket watches all the way. Oh, almost fifth rail again. Just missing that last one over there. See, I rather would have had the cards there. Give me the cards instead of magician. One ding at a time doesn't do it for us. Look at that. Just that for Tigers, guys, is $6 right there. Imagine getting a full screen of those all the way across. Hats. 1, 2, 3 hats. Come on. All hats. Come on. One more. Oh. Come on, hats. 1, 2, 3 at least. Oh, almost at the end. One more. Oh, come on. Actually right there, but hey, we'll take it, guys. It is a bonus. That is a setup. Now let's get some hats. Can I get a re-trigger? please. One more, yes, beautiful. So 3 extra games because we get 3 hats on the board. That is awesome when that happens. Do it again. Land them where they've already landed, please. Come on. Land them where they've already landed. Oh. Well, you're filling up the screen. I mean, it's cool. Okay. Alright, hats. Come on, just... Oh, beautiful. We got 2 silvers. So if you guys remember, we looked at the game there, you can get a mini, minor, or major from the silvers. So it's actually surprising. I didn't realize the major was available on the silvers as well. Hats, where are you? That's pocket watches all the way through. We need more hats though, come on. Oh, 2 games left, come on. No, we got 3 silvers, no golds. Nope, not me. Oh, that's a good one. That's 5 times our bet. That's a good one. All right, special sound. Special sound. Special sound. Special sound. Yes, here it is. Come on. Oh, the mini again. Oh, I bumped my camera because I'm unprofessional. All right, guys, another almost $60 bonus there. Well, that's going to be over 60 because of our $8 there, so. 67.80, not too shabby. Takes us up to 384. I think it's the first time I've had a retrigger in all the videos I've done on this game of the free games there. Let's get one more bonus, huh? Let's get over 400, come on. One more! Oh. Oh. My heart stops on the second sound every time. Although that could just be a medical condition, I don't know. That'd be kind of a cool YouTube video. Hook yourself up to like an EKG and watch your heart rate while you're playing slots. That would be kind of cool. Oh. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5.
Hey, what's going on? We got JJGeneral1.
I did great on Flamin' Hot Pots. Or Big Hot Flamin' Pots, yeah.
Did you get a triple feature?
No, but my first spin I had 3 land and then almost the 4th, but it didn't do anything. But I had some great just regular features.
Well, that's great.
Come on, hats. Let's get some more hats, please. Tigers, oh, keep going. I'll tell you what we're gonna do, guys. We're at 15 minutes. We're at $50 profit right now. I'm gonna take it. We're gonna slide right next door to piggy banking. And the big payback is next to me, guys. It's literally hit a bonus like his first spin over there. adjusting my chair here. I don't want to encroach on the big payback over here. There you go.
Well, that could have been better, but this is that's what we did get it quick.
Alright, 2-cent denom, guys. Mini is 20, minor is 100. Major and grand are the same as the hold on to your hat. So, we're going to do those dollar bets here. So, we need 3 or more of these banks here, or 6 or more pigs. Gold coins are wild. This play button is broken. One more. Oh. Look at that. 2 and 2. Oops. That was an accidental stop.
6.
About this game too, that the higher you bet, the higher chance you have of getting the major or grand?
All games are like that.
No, these ones actually say it in the rules. Like it'll actually tell you. Most don't have that though. This is one of the few rare that actually does. Oh, come on. As you guys can see, this one's definitely tougher to get the bonus on compared to hold on to your hat. Piggies. 4 banks, come on. Oh. One more, come on. Oh. Oh, we need one more pig there. And look, there's the tease for it.
China Shores, in the high limit room, but then they took it out years ago. Classic.
Come on. It's gotten quiet on us here.
It just went by 2 clicks away.
Pigs or banks, please. Well, that safe's all the way through for, was that 560 if my math serves me correctly? We've had so many 2-bank teases. We've had 5 pig, come on. Oh. Started. We started 300 over on Hold On To Your Hat. Come on.
We have 2 games left.
See, that's only 4 of them. I need 6. And the play button.
No, I hear you, This is such a weird.
This play button does not want to work.
We need some serious luck.
Oh. And now the play button decided to stop quick again. Bonus.
5 is not serious. I mean, that emoji. That's look at that. Pick a direction. Any direction.
Oh, 2 more, man. Come on.
Yeah.
Can I get a bonus on here? Just 1? 1 bonus. 1, please. 1. 1.
See, it should be 1. That's no 5.
We're gonna stop at 250 if we get there. Hopefully it goes back up, but we need a bonus. Oh, the teases. Oh my God, finally. Whew. So, what happens when you get the banks, guys? I can do 10 free games with nudging and gold wilds, or the piggy bank feature with 5 spins to fill it up. Since we want to do it, we're going for the piggy bank. Oh, that's a good setup. Wow. That's 9 to start. 6 to fill up. So let's do it. Okay. How about right here? Dead spin out of the way. Now, land something anywhere. Give me one. Right here, please, at least. Come on. Right here, at least. Come on. Oh. Well, we have a little chance here. See what happens. See what's going by here. Remember, we're on the 2 cent denom. $30 miners in there for 100 would be nice to land. And $10. All right. Well, that was almost a $20 bonus, guys.
I mean, split a grand is such a classic. There is a new game called
See what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to, I think, a 5 cent denom. I believe it's a 250 bet. We're gonna play it down to 250 here. See if we can bonus on that real quick. I think it gives us 8 spins. So here's 2, 3,
but it's the closest to that game that I've seen.
4,
I do have a video on that.
5, 6, 7. Well, one more. Not enough for another spin, guys. Hey, that's okay. We'll take it back down to 2 cent here. We'll do a $2 spin. Well, that's enough for another 2 spins. Oh, sorry, 1 spin at $2. And of course, now it's not going to let us end, which is a good problem to have. So 4 more spins now. Oh, 5 piggies. Almost 6. Oh, last spin. Oh, bank, right there. Hey guys, that's going to do it for this video. So we got a bonus on both Hold On to Your Hat and Piggy Bank in here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button for me. It's very much appreciated. Helps the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. We'd love to have you join the Casino Army. But for now, from the General to the Casino Army, stay safe, take care of each other, always have a positive mental attitude. And as I always say, I'll catch you guys next time. See ya.